Hello Sim Tech Bros, we're going to give you a quick first look at unboxing today of the Emporia SMART.6, which is the latest on offer from the company. More targeted at the older kind of people, seniors and so on. So we've got USB-C, 50 plus 2 plus TOF camera, 6.58 display, emergency button, fingerprint and NFC. So let's take it out and check it out. Okay. Now, if you're not familiar with these kind of cater for the elders in society. Keeping it simple, as smartphones today are complex, stuff buried in sub-menus. It makes it a very difficult process for some people to get through the stuff. So you've got this massive book here with lots of stuff in it, directions and so on, or guidance should I say. So plenty to read there, which is handy to have, so keep that. And in here we see all this here, very nicely presented. So we'll just pop that to one side and see what else we have here. So we've got a case which comes with the phone, which is really cool. And you've also got this charging stand here. So that's cool, and it's got rubber feet on the bottom there. So that's nice to see. And here is our case. And a very nice case at that too. Nice smooth front there. Access to your buttons. A magnetic clasp with Emporia on it there. And Emporia on the bottom. So that's good to see, getting a case included. And of course you can see our screen through there. And we can pull off that. So very nice, well done. We also get your cable, USB-A, USB-C and earbuds. Very nice. So you've got the package, complete package there. And we've got our SIM ejection tool and no charger. So everyone has a plug at home. So you can understand that point. Let's leave them there. So next up is the phone. It's got a nice kind of finish to this on the back here, as you can see. I love this finish here. And you can see our camera set up on top, and you've got your emergency button there by the looks of it, with your heart on it there, which was on the front of the box, the emergency. And I'm liking this little camera setup here, slightly raised, and up front we've got again the specs written out here and all that kind of stuff there. And that's what the screen will look like. So you've got Emporia up on top, you've got your power and your fingerprint reader on the side. Down on the bottom you've got your connection for your charging, your speaker and your USB port and a mic. And on the side here, you've got some keys and your SIM tool, your SIM ejection slot there. And nice tactile buttons there. So pretty nice looking all around. We'll just see if there's any power in it and power it up quickly. So it is on the bigger side. It's about the same size as my Pixel 8. And that's it there. So what we'll do is we'll get it set up and come back and have all this done in the full review with pictures and all that kind of stuff, and show you what is on the device. Now you can see it's got smaller bezels on the side, smaller on top of the teardrop, and kind of thicker bezel on the bottom, which is no problem at all. And we'll just pop this case on and see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like with the case. So obviously when we're set up, you'll have some access keys here to press on. These are soft here, navigation keys here, and you've also got another kind of gap there and Emporia on the front again as well. And it doesn't really add that much thickness to the phone, but it does give you additional grip, which is really nice, and will protect your device should you let it fall in any case. But that's about it for now for the quick first look of the Emporia SMART.6. we're going to take her off now and test her out and see how we get on. And when we come back, we'll go through all the features on it and all that stuff like we normally do with these devices, because it's important that people see. And we'll check the camera out as well as all that other stuff too. And again, it's 5G, and that's pretty much it. And it has the Emporia emergency system written there, so it's a nice handy little button should you need it, and you'll assign a number to that, or whatever the case is, to contact someone in an emergency. But it's clearly laid out and simple for people to read. Red means warning, so these give you an example here of where to hit should you need to. Of course, this is your fingerprint sensor as well, and that's what it looks like at the moment for now. But really nice first impressions anyway of the hardware itself. So we're going to, as I said, take it out and test it and see what we've got inside, on how much they've moved on since they've started out. We have tested a few of these devices before. They've got flip phones as well, and other candy bar phones and other stuff like that. And they've also launched a couple of new products there recently too, which we'll see later on, so stay tuned for that. But any questions on this particular phone, do not hesitate to ask below in the video, and we'll gladly answer as time goes on. So stay tuned for more. We'll see you in the next one.